Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and you're viewing to Hugs World, and today we got some tight watch faces for you all to check out. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and you're viewing to Hugs World, and today we got a nice watch face for you all to check out by a guy named Papy. Now, Papy, this guy gets down. I mean, we did one by him before, and if you haven't checked out his lineup, I'm telling you, go check out his lineup. Now, the name of this watch face is called F1 Excellent Pro. It's a 12 and a 24-hour watch face. It's all based off of your settings on your phone. Now, what I like about this watch face is that it gives you everything, even in the always on mode, it gives you everything you can need at a glance to see exactly what it is that you need to see. Now, what I like about the watch face here, it has everything, but it's separated. I don't know what it is with me about separation, but I like everything separated and not mixed, right? So up at the top, you get information on all your exercise, and whether it be your heart rate, your steps, floors climbed. You get information on calories burned. You get information on miles walked or ran as well. Down at the bottom, you get all your icons. I'm loving the look of this. So you got your messages, you got your email, you got your phone call, and it is inactive, so you can simply tap on it and go right into the info. Real easy, everything is legible. This is definitely a beautiful watch face. Battery info over here, step info over here so far as your goal that you have completed. And what I like about it is you got your time right in the middle. It's a digital time with the day and the date right over it. Also, right up under the time, you get your calendar, so if you need to set an event. So everything you need is right here. My music, listen to music all the time, and you get your alarm. So I like this watch face. I like the design of it. I like the shortcuts. I like the info that it gives me. This is an all-in-one watch face for the most part. You don't have to go anywhere. Everything you need is right up front. All right, you guys, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know what you thought of this watch face. I know the background is dark, but everything still stands out and everything is legible. I'm loving this watch face. Again, this one is called F1 Excellent Pro. Check it out in the Gear Manager store. Number 2, this one is called Black Pearl. I like Black Pearl. It looks good. The design is different. And in always on mode, you're going to get all the info you could possibly need to see at a glance, which looks really good in a black background. And this one has a black background as well. I like this one. You get your music, your settings, heart rate information, weather, and active right here. If you need to make a phone call, again, you can make a phone call here. Again, I like the shortcuts that this guy puts in. I like the creativity and the time he put into this smartwatch as well. You get the number of information so far as your calories burned, percentage of your steps you have completed. If you already set a goal on your smartwatch, that's going to show up here, and miles walked or ran. So this is a good looking watch face. I like that the developers are getting very creative. They're changing things up a little bit. So what do you think, guys? What do you think of these two watch faces for the work week edition? All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.